Hey there guys, how's it going? And today what we're going to be talking about is the Natureplex Hydrocortisone Cream. Yes. Now what this is, it's used if you have any kind of rash or itching from poison ivy, poison oak, rash like that, where you've come in contact with some bushes that really can mess you up, and give you itchy rashes, the little bumps and the redness that just won't go away. I had an incident like that not too long ago. It was not good. It was very uncomfortable. I was just wondering how I was going to get through it, okay? I was told that I needed to actually get some cream to actually get this taken care of. I did my best to go out and try to find something, and this is the first cream that I ended up getting. I say the first one because when I tried to use this one, I put it on there, I rubbed it in, and first of all, it took quite a while to actually work or kind of feel like anything was happening. I put it on there, I rubbed it in like the instructions said. It kind of soothed it for a good maybe about maybe 5 minutes, something like that, 5 to 10 minutes. But then you could kind of feel like the poisons of whatever, poison ivy or whatever, you can feel that kind of pushing through, it kind of like it was pushing away the medication or something. It was coming through it like, oh my God, this is really a pain. What the heck, I let it sit on there a while, and eventually the itching and everything just came right back. I put more on there, and it kind of did the same thing. So I was a little frustrated with this. I went out and got something else because people were trying to tell me, well, maybe it's something else that you have on your arm. Maybe it's not one of those things, maybe it's something more serious or whatever. And I was like, no, it has to be that, because this is the only thing. I was in the bushes, came out, and this was there, so it has to be something I touched in there and some kind of reaction to it. So I went out and I got a different one, a different brand of the same thing, and the same kind of cream. That one worked. I put it on there. I washed this one off really good. I put the other one on there, and it was like night and day. It worked right away, and it stayed, away for a good long time. Yeah, so this one didn't do the job for me. I don't know if I got a bad batch or what, but it just didn't feel like I thought it should feel. I was really, really, really irritated, itchy, and it just remained. Like I said, it soothed it for about between 5 and 10 minutes, but that itching came right through. And I put 2 globs of it on there. I mean, once it didn't work the first time, I tried more, and I just didn't get the reaction that I should have gotten, Yeah, like I said, I had to go out and buy another one, a different brand, and I was very disappointed. Maybe it'll work for somebody else, but it just didn't work for me. It goes on kind of clear, but it comes out it's a white paste. Yeah, it's kind of like that. But when you rub it in, it rubs in kind of clear, you see. So, I mean, the texture is very, very loose, kind of like a, lotion. It just didn't work for me. I was not happy with it. Well, that's, I hate to say that, but that's just how it was. It just didn't do the job. I was still very itchy. Okay, well, that is the Natureplex Hydrocortisone Cream. Okay, I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.